everybody, welcome back. So today I am sharing with you guys some beauty products or some makeup that I got from a company called Rude Cosmetics. Look at this box. This box is just super cute. I don't see anything rude about it, but it's super cute. The lips all over the box. I just thought this was really nice. It says makeup with an attitude. So basically they reached out to me and they asked me you know, if I wanted to get some products and, you know, kind of review them and see if I was gonna like them. And so they allowed me to go on their website, pick out a couple things. That's what I did, and I am here to tell you guys what I think about these products. Okay, so the items that I'm going to show you are items that I actually picked out. And yeah, so if you cannot see it already, I have the highlighter going on, I have the eyeshadow going on, and the lips. Now this eyeshadow this was the palette that I chose, which is the Rude 24 Peekaboo Pixies eyeshadow palette. It also has the colors on the back. Now let me tell you before I jump into showing it to you, this company is based in Los Angeles, which is really nice because it's like right up the freeway from me. I thought that was cool. When you check out their website, which I will have down below in the description box, they have really reasonable pricing on their palettes and all of their other stuff. And so jumping back into this, it's cute how they put the colors right here on the box. Now this is the one that I chose. They had a few other ones on there that I was really kind of, you know, interested in, but I chose this one. And it comes like this with the little clear case on the front, and there is no mirror. I don't know if I was being a little heavy-handed, but I kind of snapped off this piece right here, so I broke that. Which is kind of making it hard for me to hold it open. But anyways, here are the colors, and like I said, these are the ones. This is the palette that I chose. Today I am wearing this purple one right here. The names are not on there, but they did show the colors on the box, so they don't actually have names for them. That is, and I'm just making sure, that is something that I'm like, it doesn't really matter to me if they have a name or not. But this is the palette that I picked. I did play in it the other day with the greens, because green and yellow eyeshadows tend to look really pretty, but then they don't show up as well. And let me just show you this one right here. Really pigmented. Look at that. That is so pretty. And where's another one? Let's just do like this burnt type of orange. So the colors are really nice, really pigmented. Now what I did notice while I was using it was well, first of all, this palette does not come with any matte colors. So to do the crease, I have on a brown in the crease. I did use my chocolate gold palette to use the brown matte color for my crease, because this one all has like some shimmer to it. But like I said, it was my choice, and this is the one that I wanted, and I really like this palette. I love the colors. However, what I was about to say was, when I just used a dry brush to pick up the colors, it wasn't really, the color wasn't as bold as I wanted it to be. So I had to use one of my, I don't have it by me, but I had to use my MAC setting spray to spritz the brush to get the actual color to go on. So they're very light if you want to do it dry, but the color pops even more when you use a setting spray. This was a very good like starter eyeshadow palette. If you're not really big into makeup, kind of like me, I love makeup, but I'm not like this makeup guru. But like as a starter kit, to have all of the different colors at a reasonable price, really nice shades, this would be something that you might want to look into. I will have the prices listed on the screen. If not, I will list these items down in the description box if you want to check them out. So that's how I feel about the eyeshadow palette. Would I purchase another one? Yes, I would. They do have a lot of them on there that were really nice. But like I said, just to give you a heads up, for me, I needed to use the setting spray to get the actual color to, you know, kind of be the shade that I wanted it to be. Okay, now moving on from that, I did get this. I chose the highlighter trio. It says highlighter, eyeshadow, and these are the 3 in here. I will open it, but their packaging is super cute. It says the makeup with an attitude. I really like that. Now, I am wearing the highlighter right here, which is very subtle. I don't never really do my everyday makeup to make it like super pop. Like, I don't need my highlighter to be seen in outer space on a normal, you know, regular day basis, but it's really, really pretty. And I'll show you guys which one I'm wearing. And I'm wearing 2 colors because I have one of the colors right here, and then I have one under my eyebrow, one on my nose right here, and actually one in the corners of my eyes. So I just thought this was really nice. It does have the mirror on the inside right here, and these are the colors. Really, really nice colors. Uh-oh, sorry, I moved the camera. So this is what they look like. This one is naughty right here. This one is brassy, and then this one is pinky. So on my cheeks, I'm actually wearing the brassy, which is more like a gold, well, the creamy like brown type of a color. This one has more of a pink tint to it, and this one is more of like a white. And so I'm wearing brassy on my cheeks, and then under my eyebrow I have, which one did I put? I put naughty. No, actually I have naughty in the corner of my eye and underneath my eyebrow, and I'm only wearing brassy on my cheekbone. And these are really nice. This is brassy. And let's see, let's do pinky on my pinky. And that is the pink tone one, and that is the one that I'm wearing right now in the middle. So this one. And this is really nice. I like it. It's really, really creamy. The texture of the highlighter was nice. Like I said, if you want it to pop, I'm sure if I wanted it to pop even more, I could have applied more, but I didn't. And I'm very happy to play in this. So if you're looking for a new highlighter that's not too expensive but has a good color payout, then you can check out that highlighter trio, because I think it's really, really nice. So the next thing I chose was, it says Attitude Matte Lipstick, and I chose it in the color Unruly, which is right here at the top. And now what I'm going to say about this is the container looks like this. It says Rude on it. I like the chic black. And this is the color that I chose. Now, what I will say is on the website, that color looked a little different than what it actually looks when it came in person. Well, when I'm looking at it in person. So I thought it was going to be a little bit different than what I wanted. I am wearing it. I do have on like a brown lip liner with it. It is a nude color, but I did think it was going to be a different type of a color. So that's my fault. But as far as the formula on it, it is really nice. It's not as matte as I would like. I really like the really drawing type of a matte. I know some people don't, but I do. So this matte formula, it had like the drying effect to it, but then it still was a little wet, if that makes sense. It still had like a little bit of moisture in it, so it wasn't as matte as I like. So for me, it's a really nice lipstick. It is a good formula, but it's not the matte that I like. So for me, I wouldn't purchase another lipstick. And then just be careful as far as the color that shows up on the website. It may be a little bit different, just a little bit different than what the colors show on the site. The item that I chose was the eyeshadow primer, which comes in this box like this. And I just figured since I was getting the eyeshadow palette, I would try it with their primer. Their primer comes in a container like this. Really pretty. I love their packaging. I think their packaging is really nice. This has, the wand looks like that. And I got highlighter on my hands. But it's really, really nice. I love the packaging. Now, as far as the primer, it says Prelude Eyeshadow Primer. As far as the primer, it's not my favorite. It's not my favorite. The reason why is because when I put my primers on and I'm patting it to, you know, get it all over so that I can put my eyeshadow on over it, I like for it to be a little thicker and so it can stay in place and I can actually see and know that my eyeshadow primer is on. This was a little too thin for me, and as I was patting it, you know, down, it was kind of going away. So I had to do 2 layers of the eyeshadow primer just to kind of get the color how I wanted it on my eyes. So it's not a bad formula, but it's just not it's not really something that I would consider to purchase again. I'll just say that, because the formula is nice, but that's if you like a really thin layer of primer. I like my primer to be a little thicker. So that's how I feel about the primer, the eyeshadow primer. It is nicely priced and everything like that if you want to give it a try. But if you like thick primers like myself, little thicker than what this is, then this may not be for you, but it is a good eyeshadow primer. I have 2 more items that I am going to show you guys. They have this Bubblicious lip exfoliator, and it may be my fault, I don't know, but when I was sending the order choices of what I wanted, I think I really wanted the bubble lip exfoliator because it's supposed to go on your lips and it's supposed to bubble up, and I was really fascinated by that, and that's what I wanted. But however, I don't know if I just picked the wrong thing. I got a lip exfoliator, but it's actually the kind that comes in a lipstick tube, and it looks like the lipstick. Now, I did try it. Now, what I will say is it's in this container like this, and it says exfoliator, renew my lips exfoliator, and so it came like that. And the problem that I had with this is even before I even used it, as you can see, there's nothing in there. The exfoliator actually broke off and it came out of the tube. So as you can see, I did use a little bit. Now, the exfoliator itself worked really good. The only thing is it moved around inside the container a little too much, and as you can see, it broke off. Now, that's not the first time that I've had that happen with an exfoliator, because I use other ones that's made exactly like this, and sometimes they do tend to break off because you're putting pressure on it and it's not just like you're using a lipstick. As far as that part of it, that was the only bad thing about it. As far as the actual lip exfoliator, it works really good. It smells awesome, and you're not really supposed to eat it, but whenever I do a lip exfoliator, I have this thing where I kind of lick my lips or whatever, and I did, and it actually tastes good. So the lip exfoliator is good to have. I love exfoliating, any kind of exfoliating, so I always try to get one of these. But however, like I said, I really wanted the bubble up one. I'm gonna link that one down below as well, so if one of you guys get it, let me know. Come back and let me know so that I can know should I order that separately, because I know that I wanted that. When they contacted me, that was the first thing I seen. I didn't get it. I got this one, and this one works good too, but I would have rather had the other one to try. So that's my take on this. The last thing that I chose, which I was very curious by, was the Mighty Mascara and Comb. And I wanted it because it has this comb that I wanted to try. And I got it in the color black. This is the packaging right here. And the reason why I wanted this is because I love trying new stuff. So let me, if I can remember how I was trying to pull the cap off. You have to twist it off. I'm having a moment. So as you can see, look at the comb on here, and this is all of the mascara down in here. And what you do is, I don't want to click it too much because I already used it and I have some sitting in the top. I don't know if you can see that. There's formula in the top of the brush, but you basically click it and you can hear it, and you can actually watch the little piece in there pushing up the stuff as you're using it. So I'm wearing it right now. I don't know if that's a good, but it was really nice. It was weird and nice at the same time. So yeah, there's a lot sitting at the top. I don't know if you can see that. So with the comb, you push the mascara up, and then you just go in and you comb your mascara on it. It's the same as having like the wand, the brush or whatever, but it's just a little different because it has the comb, like a little brush or comb kind of look to it. And I love trying new stuff, so I wanted to try this. Now, do I like this? I actually really like it. It was really different and cool to use. I like the way the comb on it fanned out my eyelashes. I have these weird eyelashes. They kind of go wherever they want to go sometimes, and I decided not to wear lashes while I'm doing this video, just to kind of show you guys how that mascara looks, and I think it's really pretty. And I got that from this. So would I order this again? Yes, I would order this again. It takes a minute to twist it up, just so you know if you order it, because I kept twisting and twisting and twisting, waiting for some stuff to come out, and it finally came out, and then now it's set, and I just combed it on, and I thought it was really cool. So this was the Rude Mighty Mascara and Comb. Everything will be linked down at the bottom, and that is the end of my review. So I want to say thank you to Rude Cosmetics for contacting me to review their products, to take a look at them. I hope you guys give them a try, or take a look at their website, see if there's anything you guys like on it. I am, however, still gonna go out for that bubble lip exfoliator. I have to try that. I want to try that. I think it's going to be weird to have something bubbling up on my face. That's why I wanted to try it. But yeah, so that's it. Everything will be linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope I helped you with any of your purchases. They are really, really nicely priced. And yeah, so thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.